My name is Blessing Oyebade, and I'm a small business owner. I sell fabrics and I sew bespoke styles, and I mostly do ready to wear as for now.
My name is Emily Jato. I'm a home baker and a caterer. I bake cakes and pastries, and I cook for indoor and outdoor events and occasions.
My name is Adinatu Abubakar. I'm a data science student at CoLab. I'm also a generative AI trainer for business women.
My name is Blessing Abraham. I'm into fashion wears, small business, myself from home.
My name is Mrs. Na Mary Oyekomi. I'm a baker, CEO Kemsi Cakes and more. I live in Kaduna.
I came across this program through my auntie last week, Tuesday. She came here and I was introduced to it, and I started this week on Tuesday.
I got to know about this via email and it's been quite interesting. I've learned how to explore a lot the AI, using AI. Normally, I use the chat GPT, but I've not been using it rightly. I got to learn today that you have to be precise.
And today is my first time here in this training. When I came, I learned so much. I was introduced to the chat GPT. It's something I've been using, but I never knew the name because it was my daughter that just showed me. Anytime I am asking for something, she'll just say, "Mommy, why not go to AI?" And I'll now say, "Okay, come and do it." She was one always doing it. But today when I did it by myself, I saw it was something really simple to do. And for a while, I was introduced, I actually paid to learn Canva. But since I learned it, I've been trying to create things by myself. I've not been able. But since I came here, they said they would teach us about it. And I love the training today because it's interactive, it's interesting, and they are making it simple for us to understand.
I have used Meta AI to generate a picture flyer for my business and then ChatGPT for the advert on it. I got quite a few interesting comments, and more people are getting interested in learning AI.
It will help me reach a wider range of other people. There's a community here that I can interact with and also do business with them. I'll also tell friends and other people about it.
Sometimes you think with your age you can't learn these things, but I realized it's something they will tell you do it, and I was doing it and I was receiving immediate answers, and it looks quite interesting. And looking at the way the economy is going, everything is going, it's drifting towards tech. If you are not technically trained, you won't go far in your business. And I've been seeing some things they are doing with AI, and I always want to learn. I love self-learning. I've tried it by myself, I'm not able to do anything. So a friend introduced me and I said, let me come and see what they are teaching here, because I saw her posting her own things too. So I said, wow, if she can do it, then me too, let me come and learn. And that's why I came. Today is my first day and I'm happy with the training.
The little challenge I have encountered so far is women expecting the pictures they use for their business to be customized when they're trying to generate images. Besides that, they're picking up real fine.
First day, we learned the use of using Chat GPT and the use of AI and Meta AI, and we made a flyer, and I was mind blown because before I could get a flyer for my business, it took me like 3 months with beg and quarrel before I got my flyer. So we made one and we posted it on our platforms, on our WhatsApp platforms, and they taught us how to create captions and short messages in attaching it to the flyers. So it was very, very interesting. We were also introduced to downloading tools for our schedule, how to monitor our sales, our profits, whatever we are selling basically. and then how to manage your businesses. We're introduced to the Canva, how to design your pictures, your flyers, your promotional pictures, and Zoho books, QuickBooks. We're all told how to download them, and the apps for reminder if you want to schedule something, if you have something you need to do at a specific time. We're introduced to all those apps, and I downloaded them. So I've always had interest in it. I've seen it, I've heard about it, but I'm very happy for the opportunity.
Well, I see small business women going places with the advantage of AI because it's limitless. It has everything one needs. All you just need to do is know how to use it, know what to ask, know when to use it, and aside to that, you're fine. It does a lot for business women. So I think the sky is the starting point for business women when it comes to AI.